Good day everyone, we've got a folding bike here and today we're going to focus on this modified standard Shimano derailleur. Now as you can see the angle here of the chain, the lower chain and the lower part and the upper part is much more closed than it would used to be on a department store bike. That's because this derailleur is modified so that it can run closer to the cassette. Now let's see what has been changed. There you can see that stop pin have been ground away. This will allow the cages to turn more clockwise. If you look from this angle, actually it will turn more in this direction. And we have a stop here removed as well on this hanger, so that this hanger has turned a little bit more anti-clockwise, also allowing the chain to run closer to the cassette. So the shifting is more direct and the chances of chain slip is much less. Now while we're here, you can see this cassette. It's got basic straight teeth, thick straight teeth, and not the angled ones. This, by the way, is a free up cassette. It has been replaced with the original one was a Shimano with angled teeth, and this one seems to be much more robust. It takes more time to shift, but you can, if you look carefully, I think you can't see any signs of wear. Maybe on the chain and a few thousand kilometers. Yes, I think the chain needs a replacement, but the cassette probably not. Now this derailleur is this standard type of derailleur is mostly fit to department store bikes, entry-level bikes. So it can be modified and rival a high-end derailleur. And I believe your cassette will also last much longer. Well, that's it. Happy shifting.